Evening Post, Grandpa Greenwald here. This evening we're going to do a midnight cook. And not actually a cook, well, we're going to cook, but we're going to heat up some Boudin and get this kind of toasted in the skillet. I've been warming this skillet up. I have it at 175 degrees. I'm going to go ahead and bring it up to 275. Skillet's plenty hot. Oh yeah, that's smelling good. Smelling good already. Again, this is some of my homemade Boudin, and I say it's probably the best this side of the Mississippi, and I'm on the west side of the Mississippi. So we were gonna make some fish tacos this evening, and I got everything ready to go, and I kind of planned on how we were going to go about doing that, and the time got away from me. I lost my daylight out here, so we put that on the back burner until tomorrow, and decided the Boudin was ready to go. So let's go ahead and make us some Boudin for supper. Keep adding a little bit. I'm not adding any more. Just maybe a couple drops. The Boudin has plenty of oil or plenty of fat in the pork inside. So as this gets warmer, more and more of the fat will come out. Well, some people, well, you've seen me before. We'll warm the Boudin in the oven. 35 minutes, crisp it. You can turn the broiler on if you like, things like that. I do pan fry. I do oven. Some people actually will boil the Boudin in water to soften it up. Then they'll cut the case. They'll just eat it right out of the casing, like eating a popsicle or something. But I need to put my lid on there. Where's my lid at? There you go. That's my number 10. It's clean, sealed up. Wrong skillet. That isn't my... So the lid fit after all. I don't know what I was thinking. I set it on there. I don't know how I set it on there wrong. But anyway, the lid fit after all on this skillet. I went ahead and added some water to it. And so we're just going to steam it. We're going to steam it. Try it like this. Never cooked it like that with water in it. So we'll check her out. Alrighty, so we lost our ring light. So we have no more light. What we have is just natural there. This camera's pretty amazing though, because it's actually dark in this garage, and it's picking up the little light that's there. Let me open that up and we'll take a look. Yeah, I saw through the lens there, or through the... Owie, owie, owie. You can't do that, David. Wow, it's just splitting open. I think we're gonna turn this baby off. Turn it off. Move it to my trivet. And make sure I got her on my trivet. Okay. We'll let that sit there and cool, get it off the heat. Anyway, it was fun.